Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson we are just going to finish up with the verb détester and review a little bit of the vocabulary we learned. So remember that you can use détester with nouns to say that you hate something. For example, I hate work. Je déteste le travail. I hate dogs. Je déteste les chiens. I hate cats. Je déteste les chats. I hate monotony. Je déteste la monotonie. I hate cockroaches. Je déteste les cafards. You can also use détester to say that you hate to do something or you hate doing something, and that would be with an infinitive. So if you want to say I hate to work or I hate working, je déteste travailler. I hate to wait or I hate waiting, je déteste attendre. I hate to socialize or I hate socializing, je déteste socialiser. I hate to dance or I hate dancing. Je déteste danser. I hate to smoke or I hate smoking. Je déteste fumer. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.